Hello. Welcome everyone to the stream today. Namaste. Hello and welcome everyone to the stream today. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your host and an educator friend, Saksham this side. And today we will be looking forward to project analysis basically. And the project name is Bittensor TAO, right? If I have not pronounced it wrong basically. So yeah, Bittensor TAO, the project name is this, and we will be looking forward to the project analysis, and we will be looking forward to what the project does initially, how we can participate in the Gate.io startup. This is basically a startup project if I'm not wrong. So yeah, we will be looking forward to the details as well, that what the project does, what are the benefits of investing in this project, and how you can get some initial profits if you invest in the startup of the project as well, right? Okay, I was just checking with the mic and all, guys, and now we are good, definitely. So we will be looking forward to the project website first, and then we will look forward to the Gate.io startup page, that how we can, get into the project and how we can, make some money and all with that. So everything will be discussed in the stream today. So stay online and get it. And let's get started. So firstly, we will be looking forward to the major thing, which is to see basically what the project initially does. And from for this, I wanted to see one thing, which is the coin market cap. Basically, this is the main thing. So it is TAO Bittensor. If I'm not, this is TAO. This is the project. I have to click on it. The current price of the project is $50. That is a huge price for the project. Initially, many of the market project haven't reached $50 yet. If we talk about Gate, Solana, and all, they were at the time of $50 sometime, but now they are not initially, right? Right, guys. So this is something very interesting, that the project has already reached almost a mark of $50. Now it is 49.94, but that does not change the fact that it will easily reach $50 from here. And if you see here, the market cap is $206.24 million, right? Volume is almost like 531,000 or 531K per day. 2% increase in the volume as well. The Wait a minute, guys, just give me a moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I was saying that let's quickly jump on to the volume here. Volume is also looking very interesting, that 531,000 dollars in a single day is not bad, and it's definitely interesting to see that it has a lot of volume as well. And if you see the self-reported circulating supply, which is 4.12 million tau, maximum supply is what, 21 million tau. 21 million tau means it does not have a lot of tokens, right? I guess 21 million is something clicking, right? 21 million bitcoins, right? Yes, so it is same as the Bitcoin number of bitcoins as well. And fully diluted market cap is $1.05 billion. That's why the price of the token is very high, $50 per token, because the market cap is high and the number of circulating supply is limited or low. That's why the price of token is almost touching $50 as of now in today's. Now, if we quickly jump onto the website, basically we will look forward. The token is already listed in Gate.io. You can just definitely check it out and place your bets if you want to get into this token, purchase it. But before that, we will be looking forward to the website as well, that what is going on with the token or project as well, that what basically it does, right? So let's quickly jump onto the website and we can get an idea. So this is the website. It hangs a little bit. I don't know why. We have recently tested our TAO Twitter bot. What's its function? The bot notified users about. I don't know why my system is lagging a little bit. I use OBS and the system lags very much. I have to figure it out very fast. But yeah, no problem. The white paper has opened. White paper does not took much time. Okay, this is very interesting. A 3D protocol, I guess. Okay, it moves as well. It's loading. I think we have to wait a little bit, maybe. Or this is just build about white paper charter academia wallet. So on build. I think the website needs a little bit of maintenance, right? Because I don't same website docs. Okay, the website does not have any much information about it, but yeah, we can look forward to the white paper initially. That will help us to understand. Bittensor, a peer-to-peer intelligence market. Okay. Mm. Okay, I have to do one thing, which is to maybe I don't have much heating issues, but still it's lagging a little bit. Okay, as with other commodities, market could help us efficiently produce machine intelligence. We propose a market. We propose a market where intelligence is priced by other intelligence systems, peer to peers across the internet. Peer ranks each other by training neural networks, which learns the value of their neighbors. Scores accumulate on a digital ledger where high ranking peers are monetarily rewarded with additional weight in the network. However, this form of peer ranking is not resistant to collusion, which could disrupt the accuracy of the mechanism. The solution is an incentive mechanism with maximally reward honestly selected weights, making the system resistant to collusion of up to 50% of the project of the network weight. The result is a collectively run intelligence market which continual produces newly trained models and pays contributors who create information theoretic value. So this is something about the peer-to-peer network and all. And they're simply saying that instead of rewarding the peers who are just doing the most hard work, it should be rewarded like incentivized program, like something like that, to give everyone a fair chance of getting the rewards and and all, right? The iron rule of nature is you get what you reward for. If you want ants to come, you put sugar on the floor. Okay, here is the model. Let's quickly see the model here. Okay, we begin with an abstract definition of intelligence. This is intelligence model. If we look forward to this, we will not get anything, right? Our goal is the distribution of stake I as incentive to peers who have helped minimize the loss objective, and importantly, in such a way that It is difficult for a small proportion of stake to collude as a means to maximize their distribution in the network without minimizing the loss. There's a lot of formulas. I really don't understand what it is, guys, to be honest, and still confusing because the website does not have a much information to carry on themselves as well. That's definitely. I don't know why it's not opening yet. The bot notifies users about significant TAO exchange transaction on Bittensor network. Okay. The white paper is lagging because I don't see any other website, lagging a lot. Other website is doing fine. The only thing which is lagging here is the white paper page. Bonds reaching consensus. This white paper is too complex for me. I really don't understand what it's all about. If you are a developer, you must be getting that what they are saying, right? Basically, something about the intelligence network and all, which is they talking about in simple terms, which I am expecting to understand. There is some kind of learning mechanism here, which helps the network to a evolve in itself. We have proposed an intelligence market which runs on P2P network outside of a trusted environment. Crucially, the benchmark measures performance as a representational knowledge, production using other intelligence systems to determine its value. The fact that this can be done in a collaborative and high resolution manner suggests that the benchmark could provide a better reward mechanism. For the field in general, to achieve the aim, the paper began with the definition of a P2P network composed of abstractly defined intelligence model. Mm, mm, mm. We showed how this framework allowed us to produce a ranking for each peer based base. Peers negotiated the score using a set of weights on a digital ledger. However, the system was incomplete without mechanisms that prevented participants from forming dishonest subgraphs. To resolve this, we proposed an incentive scheme based on peer connectivity, which exponentially rewarded peers for being trusted by a large portion of network. Okay, simulating the loss convergence, and I guess the white paper has ended. A lot of information, and the page is lagging. I don't know why. About Bittensor, yeah, this is here we can understand. Bittensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain based machine learning network. So, this is a blockchain based machine learning network, Bittensor, and machine learning models train collaboratively and rewarded in TAO according to the information value they offer the collective. TAO also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while tuning its activities to their needs. Ultimately, our vision is to create a pure market for intelligence and incentivized arena in which consumers and producers of this value commodity can create can interact in a trustless, open, and transparent context. Bittensor enables a novel optimized strategy for the development and distribution of artificial intelligence technology by leveraging possibilities of distributed ledger, specifically its facilitation facilitation of open access ownership, decentralized governance, and the ability to harness globally distributed resource of computing power and innovation with an incentivized framework. So this is, I'm getting something now, because if have you ever heard about the application, guys, the Honeygain, which extract your data from your internet service providers and then use it for themselves, and whatever want they work they do, they took your data and they reward you something. It's like in Bitcoin basically, and you can also withdraw the Bitcoin once it reaches a minimum number of amount. And that is what something is also here. They use artificial intelligence to train collectively, but whatever whoever uh, provides a good amount of data to them, artificial intelligence, it will eventually reward the person according to the party, according to the, what do you say, I'm not getting the word here, according to their vast contribution, right? According to their contribution. Okay. An open source repository of machine intelligence accessible to anyone, anywhere, thus creating the condition for open and permission-less innovation on a global internet scale. Distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value they have added. Definitely, distribution of network, as I was saying about the Honeygain website, right? They use your internet connection and all. This is the same thing. Distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value they have added. Whatever the value you will be providing to the network, you will be getting your proportion of rewards and network ownership as well. So this is something which you can get it in a simple explanatory terms, right, guys? So that is something which you can look forward to and definitely understand as well. So now we can definitely jump onto the Gate.io platform to see the startup details and how we can get to know more about this. So let's quickly jump on to the Gate.io here, and this is live section. I have to click on the exchange. This is the Gate.io website, you all know about this. And what do we have to open here is, let me just quickly once again see something. You can also participate in the project startup airdrop and guide users. So the project startup, so we have to click on the project startup here. Okay, this is the startup. Project startup airdrop, I guess this one has already launched. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, let's quickly check. That is not a big deal. So in progress, Me Token and Pal AI. I think this one has already been, startup has already been launched. Pydome, we have already, this one. This is Bittensor, right? Next. Complete identity startup participation tips. Hold $10 or to be VIP. Succeeded. This one has already been succeeded, guys. If you want to participate these kinds of project in future, definitely what you have to do is you have to quickly come on to the Gate.io startup option. You just have to log in into your account. Holding more than $10 in your spot wallet will allow you to bet your money into the project itself. And when the project launch initially in the platform, you will be able to bid, right? You will be able to commit whatever amount of USDT you want. I guess you have all heard about this, right? You already know about these things. I think you must be gotten to know information about. You have also done these things earlier in the previous part of many exchanges do, and Gate.io as well. So you simply have to claim whatever amount of token USDTs we want to commit. And if you see, the total commitment of USDTs were expected 50,000, but it reached to 52 million. That's 105,000% raised. And 19,725 supporters are total in total, and that's a lot of money they have raised. 52 million, guys. 52 million. And it is a lot. Here is the founder. Bittensor is led by a team with deep AI expertise and both the corporate and academic level. Jacob was a machine learning engineer at Google before leaving to start Bittensor. After he realized corporate AI was never going to scale, constrained by capital, and the solution was going to be a global network of computers that could cooperate in decentralized manner, right? So the founder is an innovative person which definitely committed its time to create an amazing project, which is Bittensor TAO. Bittensor TAO is a decentralized machine learning network that enables users to train and deploy machine learning models collaboratively. The network is powered by a TAO token, which is used to reward participants for their contribution. Bittensor is designed to be open and accessible to everyone, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way machine learning is developed and used. So this is the TAO token, Gate.io startup free offering. Participants for registered Participants should register on Gate.io and log in. After logging in, complete user identity verification. Spot assets $10 USD. Risk warning. You can read about the risk warning. Startup supply 941 TAO token. Unlock rule 100% lock. You will get the whole token. Here is the highlight vision. Emerging app layer. Powerful applications are emerging on top of Bittensor. Chat assistants, image generators, etc. You guys have also know about the Mid Journey. It produces image according to your text. Whatever text you put, it creates an image according to that, right? Subnetworks Bittensor runs multiple self-contained economic markets which incentivize access to different forms of intelligence. Dataset collection, model training, stock market prediction systems are among several that will be released over the next 12 months. Multimodality, text, image, video, and numerical data functionality will all be possible within the network at a significantly cheaper cost of production relative to corporate AI. So we all know about corporate AI that it is not very much scalable and it is controlled by the government initially. So the scalability is very low and the success rate will depend upon the hands of company and the government. Basically the main power is in hand of government. That's why that scalability was not so much. If you see the token and economics, TAO is a dual purpose token. It rewards miner based on the quality of their work and also gives them access to the network's intelligence. Businesses that want to utilize the network will use TAO for access through an API gateway. Technical overview: Bittensor is a substrate based L1 where computers validate the work that others contribute to the network. Bittensor uses a dual proof of stake, proof of work mechanism called UMA consensus, which reward validators with dividends for producing evaluations of minor value which are in agreement with the subjective evaluations produced by other validators weighted by stake. So this was something very much interesting here. This competition has ended, I guess. Okay, this was the competition of TAO token which you could have participated. This was the giveaway, $2,000 giveaway. Guys, these types of giveaways Gateio generally does, and you should not be missing out onto these giveaways because it's basically free money for you. You just have to complete nominal surveys, follow the page, follow the project, and everything is just very simple. Invite few members, and then you are eligible for the airdrop. And if you are lucky enough, you will be getting a chance to grab $2,000 of TAO token. 40 lucky winners only. So if you divide 2,000 by 40, let's say 2,000 by 40, so $50 per user will be the reward, right? So $50 is the minimum amount which you can easily win in these kinds of giveaways from Gate.io basically. So you should be keeping a close eye into these kinds of giveaways, right guys? And this is how you can participate in the startup project like TAO project. And if you see here, that is very simple, right? I will show you again what you have to do. If you open the Gate.io exchange, you simply have to go on to the Gate.io startup section first, right? And where will you find the startup section? Sorry, just a moment. Gate.io has already completed 10 years. That's amazing. Congratulations to everyone who is in the team. And yeah, that's you have to do. Here is you have to click on this basically, and you will be looking forward to see the startup section, token launch and airdrop platform. So we will be looking forward to the airdrop platform. All time return on investment 86,000 art wall, annual percentage yield, 840 projects have been launched. Amount raised is 100,000, 98 million participants, 12 million total donations, 17,775. So what you have to do here is, for example, this one is the free airdrop claim. You can also claim free airdrop in these one of the tokens. For example, I have to put money in this PAL AI. 80,000 USDT is the reach they wanted to, you know, put. And this is the founder, AI and crypto. I built PAL to bridge the gap between AI and crypto. Love to work in teams. You can read more through about the project. Token type Ethereum. Risk warning and everything is written here. You can also see the website here as well, right? And now when the project will start taking your supporting taking your contributions, you will be getting an information that you are eligible to participate in this network. And for the free airdrop, you have to simply click here, and the startup subscription is free. Users can claim project tokens for free, the higher the VIP tier. So you have to do one thing. You have to log into your account. Let me quickly log in so that you guys can. Just a moment, guys. I will log in and then I'll show you. Just let me log in and I'll show you what it is. I don't know why it is not logging, but yeah. Okay. 4784.3. Okay, now I have been logged in, and let me just quickly open my screen. Okay, this is the screen, and now you can see that login account holding more than 10 USD spot assets. Click $0 free to claim. Step confirm the available shares. Click claim now. So this is something the process is. You can simply do this by okay. I don't know why I got logged out from here. That's quite irritating. But yeah, I don't know why it got logged out. Eight four 7689. Okay, now I am in. I have been logged in. This will not log out again. And this one is the startup section. This one is the claim free airdrop section, and it will be available in 3 days, 16 hours, right? Participants, after logging in, complete user identification, which is complete. Participants should register on gate.io and login. That is also completed. And spot assets 10 uh, equivalent to $10, right? I have to hold minimum $10, and then I will be able to get the free airdrops in this section. So like this, the free airdrop was also introduced in the Bittensor TAO, right? Bittensor TAO was also one of the project who introduced the chill gamify short video platform, watch, play, and okay. So this was also a free airdrop project which has already been executed now. We are a little bit late, but yeah, that's not something to worry about. We will definitely get a lot more opportunities like this in the future, and I will be coming up with these projects for you in the future as well. So this was all about the Bittensor TAO, and I hope it got a good information about you. And for the next projects, you can definitely see and look into the Gate.io startup section and definitely contribute into it, basically putting your bidding, your money, and maybe getting some free airdrop tokens. And as well as, if you're lucky enough, your project will eventually, after your contribution, will also can skyrocket as well. So these are some, probabilities which will eventually lead you to some crazy growth, right, guys? So with this being said, I think you guys have enjoyed this stream a lot. So let's quickly check if you guys have any comment or not. Gate.io summit is also there. Token 2049. Singapore. Okay. And yeah, let's see. Hello, if you guys have any. Yeah, I think that's good. And that's about the Bittensor token you can participate in, and you can also how you will be a part of the token, how you can now uh, get the ride of this token. It is like simple. You can definitely get on your hands on this token by simply putting your money in the trading section, clicking on spot basically, and then yeah, searching here simply TAO. This is TAO USD. Click on it, and the current price of the token, see, from $24 initially, not 24 initially as well, from 21.42, the token pumped up to all the way 56, and now it's currently stabilizing itself at $50, where we suppose the price will, we were expecting the price to be, right? Hi, Meet. How are you, buddy? I just cut my hair, buddy. I just shortened my hair. I hope it looks good now. It was too hot in India. That's why I have to, remove my hair because I was not able to control the heat in my head. I haven't seen you in a while. Hope everything is good from your side. So yeah, guys, as I was saying that this token you can definitely check this one out. You don't have to do anything. Simply you have to come in the spot section. Yes, definitely. I will be also looking forward to see you again. Basically, I'm back. Nice to see you again here. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. So yeah, as I was saying that Bittensor TAO based on the artificial intelligence and all, and the structure is same like you've all heard about the Honey Gain application, right? Who uses your internet data to give you Bitcoin in return, right? So this is something same. It will use your you can participate in the machine learning and all. You can help the network to grow eventually by practicing some machine learnings and all artificial intelligence, and then it will be giving you incentivized rewards for your contribution in the network, and also giving you the ownership of your work which you have put in the network. So it is like for example, you have a computer who works for you on some calculations and all, and uses your network and uses your time and energy. So it will be giving you rewards and a participation or ownership of your network which you are using, right? In simple terms, you have to simply give a little bit of time to the project, and then definitely you will be able to get something out of it, right, guys? And if you don't want to get involved in the project a lot, or you have to give a lot of time to the project, you don't have to do much about it. You simply have to come on to the gate.io section, which is definitely an interesting option for you to get into. And then you have to be very, very easily getting into the price, the spot section of gate.io, and then clicking here and searching for TAO token. Bittensor TAO will be appearing here. And now if you see the price of token already reaching from $21 to 56 all-time high, and then coming up at the time of $51 here, which is definitely good. And if you want to put your money here, you can definitely jump into the project because it has a very limited supply. It has only a supply of 21 million. If you able to see here, if you are able to see there is only maximum supply of 21 million tau, which is indeed an economic term if the supply is low and the market cap is really interesting. The price of the token will eventually touch some good levels, and you can see the price of token will be reaching some interesting levels, maybe $100 as well in the future. But it will take time. Definitely, it will not be happening in a single day or two. But yeah, a strong project. It is holding its value at $50. There are a lot of projects who does not holds a value in $50, standing at $50, because if you see that most of the market projects who are at the top 10 as well, they are also haven't reached $50 yet, right? They have a lot of value, they have a lot of potential. They have already in the market for almost like more than some of them are more than 10 years now, more than 8 years, 7 years. But yeah, the prices of those tokens are still under $10, or you can say under $20, right? I'm talking about basically XRP, Solana. Some ones are, these coins are very strong. They have fundamentally very strong projects, but still they are, trading under $1, right? That does not mean that they does not have potential. Indeed they have, but the market cap and the token supply is not supporting the price, right? It is high and the price of the token is very, very low. That's why. And in this case, in the Bittensor TAO, the situation is opposite, right? The token is definitely quantity is very less, It does not have a huge quantity. 21 million is the net volume, the net supply of the token, the max supply you can say. It has not gotten more than that, and the volume is also $500,000 per day, which is coming. And if you see the market cap, 200 million is also very good, right? And the fully diluted market cap is 1 billion, which is amazing. I guess Arbitrium is also having the same amount of volume, not volume, dilute market cap, 1 billion, something around 1 billion or something like that. The fully diluted market cap is different, but the market cap is around 1 billion. So yeah, that's why the price of Arbitrium is standing somewhere around 0.80 or 0.90 cents. So this one was all about TAO. You can definitely bet onto it, you can try it out. But as you know that these streams are not any kind of investment or financial advice, guys, and I'm not also a financial investor advisor, right? I'm just an educator friend who is ready to tell you that what can be the most possible or possible scenarios for the things which can happen in the market. But you have to figure out yourself that what could be the best thing for you, and for the for your money basically, right? So with this being said, I will be closing the stream in about a minute or two. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask. And once again, let's quickly jump on to here. You can simply click, for example, I have to buy TAO token. I will be putting money, for example, 100. I will be getting 2 TAO token. I will be clicking on buy TAO, and my order will be placed, right? It will ask you for the security purchase password for the first time. After that, you can easily get back onto it, right? And you can easily get 2 TAO tokens for this, and you can hold that for almost like maybe 3 months is a minimum time which you have to hold this token. Below that, I don't think it will worth much, right? You have to be holding the TAO token minimum 3 months, because it is based on the artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence projects are just booming because it is an era or time of the artificial intelligence, right? We have already seen many artificial projects have been pumped like crazy, and they are giving returns as well, right? Because they have a lot of use case as well, right? And if you see the chart is currently sustaining this $50 level. Recently it got a dropout because the investors who put their money in the start, definitely they will sell, right? They will release their holdings at some extent, but not totally. And if you see, the token is holding tight at this level, at this $50 level. I think it will be a good support area for the token in the future, and hopefully it will help the token to get into some major upside levels in the future. So guys, you can definitely check this project out and see for yourself that if the project has some potential or not. From my point of view, basically the project has a lot of potential, and the founder as well has already worked in Google, world's top leading leading company, the we can say giant, right? Internet giant, right? So it has a lot of potential in it, and definitely use cases as well. So you guys should check this out. Not invest, I am not saying that you should invest, but definitely you should check this out. If you feel like you want to invest, you can definitely invest. And that was all up from my side, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream, and we'll see you guys in the next stream. Till then, stay safe, trade safe, and we'll definitely go to the moon. Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, basically. I think I have a stream at night. So see you in the midnight. Till then, stay safe, trade safe, and bye.